Hi guys, welcome back to this video. My name is Chandramani and you're watching Windows 10 installation process. So we have in the first part we have started the installation process. After complete of installation, this thing is asking if you there are the two bottom over here like use express setting and customize setting. If you click over here use express setting, so the next you will set up your account. If I mean it will if you have the Microsoft account, then it will start the process of installing. If you don't have, you can create the account and start the process, but I don't have any account, so I just back to again and just do it customize. Okay, once the customize, it asking that you have connected to network. Do you want to find PC devices and can connect this network and automatically connect to device like a printer, TV? Yes or no? Click no. And some questions it asking like for update of your PC and applications updates, everything will be asking. So as per your requirement you can do yes or no, or so on or off. Okay, and just the next. So it will start the setup of Windows 10. Again it asking the accounts. Okay, don't have account means you can go to the bake. Next, cancel. Next, I need to disconnect my internet first of all. Wait. Okay, let's go to the bake. Bake. Next. Cancel local account. So see, I don't have the micro. If I have the Microsoft account, we can create the insert the Microsoft account, we can start the installation process. Otherwise, if we don't have, we can start the installation process to our local account also. So I just create one account, like I just give the name like Jitu, and password just give and need to password hint also. Okay, just to the finish. So it will finalizing your setting and create your local account. So the installation process done, the what are the settings is remaining, that will start. See, it's started same as like a Windows 8. Okay, it's getting started. Okay, you can get the new app from the store. There is a, it giving this store, Microsoft store. So from that store you can download the different apps as per your requirement. You can download, so it's installing the apps and now it's giving the different colors. It's looking pretty much good in comparison to Windows 8. So it will take some times to setting up for all those things for Windows 10. It's a technical preview version, and you won't be get all these features of Windows 10 because now Microsoft is enhancing some features, but still they are not launching a fully version of Windows 10. So for that, in this Microsoft side, you can give your review. I mean, you can give your comments, like some drawbacks what you get from in the Windows 10 you can give. So now this Windows 10 has been installed in our system. So this is the screen first you will get after installation of Windows 10. Okay, so so there is a start button over here, welcome to technical preview. If you click over here, uh, see, it will take you through I mean internet. So I don't have internet connection, that's what it's showing this. So it will take you through internet there, and you can give the comments to Microsoft what should be you find the drawbacks and what features are there you really like it, you can give. So as per your you also can participate in Microsoft site, so they can enhance you can add some features by your comments also. So see, if you look at over here, there is no start option in the here, only the start option. If you click over here, this menu will come, and what are the things you wanted to see, you wanted to search, you can control search also, like control panel. Okay, I just type over here control, sorry, just wait, it will take time to upload. See, control panel come, and anything like video, it's uploading, will take time some. Okay, and one more things are there, like if you want to these things to come over here, then in tile, so just click and drag over here, it will come to here. And if you want to calculator, bring over here and it will come. The B you want to keep all these things, you can do it. I just bring over here, and the way I want to manage it, I can manage, like I want to store over here, and I have to bring over here, you can keep it over here, you can do it, right? And if you wanted to the increase and decrease the size also, you can right click over here, and you can resize it, like small, medium, wide, large. If you want to large, it will large. If you want to resize it small, so it will small. Okay, so as per your requirement you can do it, and you can drag these things. I can keep it as the way you want. Okay, these things are there. And this is the search option, you can get everything on this available in Windows 10, that you will get over here. Like if you wanted to PC setting, see, it's PC setting is come. If you wanted to type program, I mean if you type command prompt also, you will get over here, everything you will get over here. So that the some features will be enhanced, and some features are also pending. I told you this is the technical preview version, so we don't have the fully version of Windows 10. So you can install and you can enjoy these things, and you can give the comments to and Microsoft site, whatever the drawbacks you get over here. So definitely they will look into your comments, and they will want to change something which is really valuable of your comments, right? So thanks for watching this video.